Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 33. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 7. 7 here, no other help, so 2, 5, 2, 5. That means that our 7 has to be here. For this column now, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 6. I don't see any other help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this top row, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. Oh. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 2, 6 here, so 5, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here and a 7 here, so this is our 1. 5 here makes this our 7, 5. That 5 makes this our 2, 5. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this column now, we're missing a 2. That 2 makes this our 9, 2. For this box now, we're missing a 1. For this box, we're missing 4 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 1. 2 here, so 4, 2. That 4 makes this our 8, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this box, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this row, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.